Pickleball, the game that combines ping pong, tennis, and badminton, is the fastest growing sport in America. It's fun, casual, and has a short learning curve. The equipment needed for this sport is minimal, with the only items being a pickleball and a pickleball paddle. Pickleball is played on a 20-foot by 44-foot court with a 3-foot high net dividing the court into two sides. Each side has three important sections, two of which are the even and odd service courts. Players with an odd score serve on the left, and players with an even score serve on the right. Next, the non-volley zone, better known as the kitchen, is the only part of the court that will result in a fault for stepping in. If the ball lands anywhere outside these three sections of the court, it is considered to be out of bounds and a fault. A fault is any action that stops play because of a rule violation. Pickleball's fault rules have similarities to tennis in the fact that the ball cannot hit the net or bounce twice on one side. When serving, you must stand behind the backmost line, toss the ball in air, and swing underhanded. The one rule unique to pickleball is the double bounce rule. It states only after bouncing the ball once on each side of the court is a player allowed to hit the ball in air before touching the ground. A game is won when a player reaches at least 11 points with a 2-point lead. A point can only be gained on the serving side when they win a rally, after which they will change service courts. If the server makes a fault, the opponent becomes the new server and moves to the service court they left off on. Pickleball is a fantastic sport for all ages, with an athletic degree ranging from competitive to recreational. Many find this sport to be a bridge between the high and low levels of skill, which provides for a wider range of opponents and styles. So if you're stuck inside trying to find something to do, go ahead and find yourself a pickleball court for an afternoon's worth of entertainment.